Hi guys. Okay, today I'm pretty excited. Today we're going to be unboxing the Walmart Beauty Box, which if you are unfamiliar with the Walmart Beauty Box, it is $5 and you get it 4 times a year. It's a seasonal box. This is the fall 2019 box. Let me adjust what's on my lips because I guarantee someone will ask. Today I am wearing the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in Alluring. Such a really pretty red orange. If the lighting keeps changing, I'm sorry. It's the outside light. And like I said in a previous video, I only have one of my stand lights because the other one did break. I got my fall cup. It's just pumpkin spice and everything nice, and my coffee. Let's get to unboxing. Okay, it did come with an outer plastic. I did take it off because it did have my address on it. Down the sides it just has the little Walmart logo and it says beauty. You open this box up and this is what it looks like. It says, hello sunshine, rate and review this season's products at walmart.com/TP shop beauty box. Walmart Beauty Box. Now, if you guys want to get this box, I will leave a link for it down in the description box, very top of the description box. But you get this really pretty yellow, and then you open it up, and this is what it looks like. Now, I'm going to pull out the first thing I see, which is by Schick, and it's the Schick Intuition Fab. Safely shave forward and back, 5 bi-directional blades. It says sample, safely shave, 1 razor. So if I'm not mistaken, this is a razor that you can buy interchangeable heads for, which I actually just bought one because I didn't have one. I just used the disposable ones, but I just recently bought a reusable one where you just buy the different blades. But you know, you never can have too many. Sometimes you have to change them out every so often, and that is good. And for $5, that is not bad because this is like an $8 or $9 razor. And then the next thing I see, which I'm a little disappointed about, is by Referral. This is the Hydrotherapy Wet Skin Moisturizer. I have this. I got this in a Walmart Beauty Box before. I don't really use it. My husband uses it more than I do. I keep it in my purse. It's not bad, and the sample size is pretty decent. Like, that will last you a while, and it is really full. It is a really good moisturizer. I just don't use it enough. I only use it on like my elbows or my hands if I'm out and about. Other than that, I don't really use it, but this will go in a future giveaway for one of you guys. I just don't need it. Next, this is the dry shampoo by Tresemme. It's between the washes. We've gotten this in so many sample boxes recently. I've got it in a Target beauty box. I think it came in my last Walmart beauty box. I've gotten this so many times, but I mean, I'm not mad at it. I am a dry shampoo fanatic. I have it in my hair today. I wear dry shampoo like every other day. I love dry shampoo. I go through so much of it, so I mean, I'm not mad about it. I just wish it was something a little different. Only a few more things left. The next thing is by Biore, and it's the Free Your Pores Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strips. Removes 2 times more deep pore clogs. Looks like this. You only get 1 nose strip. So you just pull it out of here, and it just looks like this. And it's just a nose strip. You just apply it like you normally would. Honestly, I might give this to my husband. He needs this a little more than I do. But, I mean, I'm pretty happy about that. It's only 1 use, but, I mean, it's just like getting a face mask in boxes. It's not bad. Next is the Olay Daily Facials Daily Hydrating Clean Grapeseed Extract. 5-in-1 cleansing power of a makeup remover, scrub, toner, mask, and cleanser. And I have gotten this before. It either came in a Walmart beauty box. I think it came in a Target beauty box, though. But it's just 1 cloth, and you just run it over water. And then it's like a makeup remover. You just run it over water, and then you remove your makeup. But this is a giant cloth. Like, this is a huge cloth. You could probably use this twice if you had a way to store it. But it really does amazing. I really did like it when I used it last time, and it smells really good. So I will definitely put that to some use. And last but not least, we have a Freeman Feeling Beautiful Detoxifying Charcoal and Black Sugar Mud Mask. Normal to combo skin, instantly removes impurities and nourishes for renewed skin. 10-minute mask. I love the Freeman brand. They are a really good, affordable brand, and that packaging is really cute. I'm pretty excited about this. I love a good charcoal mask. I prefer sheet masks more than anything, but I will use this. It's just a one-use mask. I'm not mad about it at all. Then we have a few little cute like things in here. Let's see what these are. This just talks about Biore and tells us a little bit about it. And then this is about the Schick. Oh, it's now available in disposable, which I guess it wasn't before. Yep, just talking about Schick. I can get it at Walmart. That is everything I got in my box, so let's recap. We got the Biore Witch Hazel Ultra Deep Cleansing Pore Strip. We got a Referral Hydrotherapy Lotion, a Freeman Detox Mask, an Olay Daily Facial Hydrating Cleanser, and the Schick Razor. And then the Trust Me Between the Washes. So, I mean, honestly, I will use 5 out of the 6 things we got, so I'm not mad about that. And for $5, like, you'd pay over $5 just for this. Not a bad box, but not the best at all. I will get used out of the items. For $5, I can't be mad. It is a decent box. But that is all. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys think this was worth $5? Personally, I mean, I do. The razor alone and the dry shampoo, yeah, I do. But I love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. And like I said, if you guys want to get this box, I will have it in the top of the description box down below. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe down below. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. 3 times a week. And if 3 times a week is not enough for you and you want to see more of my lovely face and you want to see what makeup I'm wearing when I'm not filming, definitely follow me on social media. I do post that quite a bit. Or if I get new makeup, I do post it. I interact with you guys. I ask you questions. So definitely follow me on social media if you are not already. And don't forget to hit that bell down below. A lot of people are not getting notified when I post, and I do post 3 times a week. So always come back. That is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye.